Hello guys and girls. Today I've got my Dyson V8 vacuum here and I'm going to change the battery in it. Now the reason why I'm changing the battery in it is because when you set it in the charger it stops charging after about 10 minutes. You got to take it out, put it back in, keep doing it till it's fully charged. And the other thing about it is it runs good on just the high suction, but when you put it on to super suck it only works for about a minute, and the battery dies. So I've gone ahead, ordered an aftermarket battery here from Amazon. I believe it was about 60 or 70 bucks. They are both 21.6 volts. However, the aftermarket one is 4500 milliamp. The Dyson one's 2800 milliamp, and it had 65, whatever the hell that is. So it should last longer. We'll see. As long as it doesn't catch fire, everything should be great. So let's go ahead and change it. Just by looking at this battery here, there's two screw holes on the back, and there's also one that goes inside to hold the battery in place. So we'll go ahead and start taking those out. I've just got a little Milwaukee drill. We'll be very gentle. The two screws are down here on the base, and the third screw is at the back above the charging port below the filter. Gently take that out. And it looks like there it is. There's our old original battery. There it is. There's our old original battery. This thing's about 3 years old. Installing the new battery is super simple. Anybody can do this. This is why I do these videos, so that you can do this at home yourself and not have to pay somebody to do it. Just insert your battery in place like that, and it's in. And we'll just go ahead and put our screws back in there. Tighten those up. If you do choose to use a little impact gun like I am here, just be very careful. Just barely snug. Everything's a plastic housing and it's sure to break. And our last screw in the back. That's it. It works. And that's all there is to changing a battery in your Dyson vacuum. They're pretty much all the same. Like I said, this one's a V8 Animal, 3 years old, but definitely something you can do yourself. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.